tonight is our third session of our Camp Cope program. Camp Cope is 8 sessions over 16 weeks. There's a topic each week. We believe that coping skills are an important part of the process of managing grief and loss. We model, present, and review healthy coping skills. And tonight they'll actually get a backpack that has a pinwheel for breathing exercise, a jump rope for physical exercise, a letter from a past participant, and a journal. We average 95% of folks stay with us once they start. Right now we have just a little over 30 kids. We're consistent on how we start group, that we have 3 to 5 activities per the group session. And then the groups choose their own closing rituals. We want to model ritual memorial making, ways that they can continue to do it on their own or with their family. Every family member gets their own time to connect, learn some skills, and feel empowered by the time they leave.